Everyday hustle like William.
If you don't come on,
Yeah.
what would I do? Let me go.
Everyday hustle like William. I'm charging the chicken just for the verse. Yeah. I get in that kitchen, I could go to work. I go berserk. Yeah. Go out and get it, secure the city. Can't sing like the Titanic. Bitch don't want my free band bandit. This paper coming to me 24 hours. I can't go sleep. I know the power of $1. Told 50 rounds at least. She know I get money. She know. Soon as I up, let's go. Just like double alarm. Stay down with me or let me go. Start the whip out just like clothes. Inspire me to whip up the flow. She with me, she down like the bros. Holding me down like the chosen one. Early in the morning, go. Late up at night, go. Just be precise. Got a pack for the flight. All I took was a Nina. I show up in a Beamer. Showed up, smacking cougars like Trina. Water flow, Aquafina. Water. Sing to me like Tina. Sipping dope out the liter. Meditation off the kush. Drinking high tech and Trish. New Bugatti, y'all check the fence out. Soon as the bitch check the fence out. You down or you scared? I knew she was.
Okay, we're back from the gym. Got the whole morning routine over with. This video is really just gonna be my point of view and a realistic day in the life of what an 18-year-old agency owner, an agency servicing flooring business owner's day in the life looks like. Really realistic point of view of what I do in my daily routines. I'll keep it as realistic and as raw as possible. Let's just dive right into that. What I'm doing right now for one of our clients. So for the one client right here, we have 31 leads on Facebook leads for around $20 per lead. So that's actually pretty good. We've done better. This is a fresh launch anyway, but this is kind of giving you an insider look of what it looks like on the ads managers. 31 leads coming in so far with $20 average. This one is crushing it at 14 per on Facebook lead. Over here to the ads level, this one right here is crushing. This one is doing 13 on Facebook leads for $14. Essentially $15 per lead, and we've got 13 leads just from this single ad. Okay, so if you do that math and you're averaging $15 per lead on the low side, let's say you close one, okay? Close one lead out of the 13 with an average of $15 per lead. And let's say you profit on the low side of you personally, you profit $1,000 from the job. That'll make the total profit for that single ad close to $800. But yeah, on Facebook leads means the lead form is on Facebook. They're not getting redirected to a landing page or your website. It goes onto a form. So what I did here is integrate that form into the CRM. So if we were to go into this opportunities pipeline, yeah, these will all be blurred out, but there's a bunch of leads here, and every lead that comes in and fills out a form on our Facebook ad will be brought into this CRM where then our team can call and qualify these leads. Let's pause this, guys. So currently I am on my third set. I didn't really explain to you guys what I mean when I say I do 4 sets, so I'll show you guys actually right now. So this is basically what I do, and there's 4 sets right here. So those 4 sets are 45 minutes of focus work with a 15-minute increment break, and then 4 sets of that, right? So get yourself one of these right here, dial it back to 45, press start, do that, do not look at your phone, lock in 45 minutes. Yeah, so 45 minutes locked in, and then 15-minute break where I'll go read, study the Bible for a little bit for 15 minutes. I definitely find that in doing this, I get so much more done instead of just sitting at my desk for 8-9 hours a day and saying that I'm doing work for 8-9 hours a day, when in reality, I get around 3 hours of work done, right? 3 hours worth of work done, but I'm just wasting my time sitting here, right? So I find that if I just like put everything aside for 4 hours, sit down and do this, I get everything done. So I write all my priorities of the day the night before. So last night I wrote what I needed to get done today. We still have a good amount to go. Honestly, today with this, I forgot to use it for like a good hour. So this is this isn't how much I work in the day. This is just a reminder of a minimum. Like if you have to do the 4 hours, this is just a helpful reminder and just keeps me on track. And also writing down your priorities in order helps a lot because you waste brain energy thinking about what you need to get done. When you have everything written down and you know what you need to get done, it's way more streamlined for your operations, right? You can get everything done, check it off, physically check it off. I know people do it on notes and computer notes and stuff like that, but I think if you can get a pen and paper and physically check it off, for me personally, it works the best because you actually get satisfaction from checking it off. Yeah, currently I'm working on some of my clients' edits at the moment. This is a personalized ad I'm creating right now. So yeah, we got 2 more sets. I think we have a lot more to get done, but we're gonna crack it down regardless. It is what it is, right? I would rather work 25 hours a day for myself than work 4 hours a day for somebody else. Okay, that's just me personally. But yeah, let's just absolutely dial in real quick. Okay, really quickly, I'm gonna run you through what the appointment setting system looks like for our program. We got a bunch of fresh leads that came in today for one of our clients. So basically what these leads do to become a lead for us and pre-qualify before we even talk to them is we have a form filled out with about 3 to 4 questions, kind of just saying how long they've been thinking about getting floors done in their home or whatever the service is for our client. So how long they've been thinking about it, kind of just gives us a rough idea of how qualified they can be. If it's like less than a week, then we know that it's kind of just spontaneous. If it's a month plus, then we know that they're pretty serious about it. You get the idea. Also, we have them tell us about the project that they're doing, so they kind of reconfirm that this is what they want done. And this form pre-qualifies. Also, we get the zip code to make sure that these leads are in your radius or in our client's radius. From the looks of it, they are all in my client's radius. Let's just go ahead and give them a call really quick.
Bueno.
Hey, what's going on? This is how you doing?
I'm doing fine, thank you.
Good. Do you have a minute to speak right now, or are you a bit busy?
No, I'm busy. I can speak.
Okay, perfect. Well, I'm just calling you because of the form you filled out for us on Facebook. You're thinking about putting some vinyl floors in your home?
Yes.
Awesome, awesome. And if I may ask, where are you located?
In
Okay, perfect. Sometime next week, more than likely, we can come by and check it out for an estimate.
Okay, that'll be fine.
Okay, perfect. To yahoo.com. Is that email all right to send some messages to?
Yes.
Okay, all right. We'll be in touch, all right?
All right then.
Okay, have a great day. Bye-bye.
Okay. You do the same, bye.
With these leads in particular and with this client in particular, this client's schedule is all over the place. So usually what I would do is book these leads directly into the calendar. So see what day is good for them, and I would know what my client's calendar looks like prior to speaking with these leads, so I know what days are open for them to fit in. For this client, their schedule's all over the place. I spoke to them already. I said this is what we provide, but they would rather just me call and qualify to make sure that they're even looking for a job to be done. And that's really what I'm doing right now, is to see who even picks up the phone, who sounds qualified, and who I genuinely think is in an area which, let's be real, has money to pay for the services without any hesitation. And this prospect definitely was. I'll bleep out the area, but I'll tell you right now, it is a very bougie per se area. What I would do is send over a couple emails to confirm, and then I'm going to confirm with our client that it's another lead coming in that's qualified, and just book in an appointment for an estimate with my client. So it makes it a little bit more difficult, but it has to be done because our client schedule is all over the place. But yeah, anyway, this appointment setting process looks like I said, usually this is through the company, but I'm doing it myself personally just to kind of show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so right now I am about to launch a new ad for a completely new ad campaign with the ad set and new ad creative in all for an existing client that I have. Actually, it's not going to be from scratch, but what I'm doing for this ad is from our old campaign for this client. I'm taking the ads that got the best results with the same messaging, same copy, everything, similar targeting. I'm gonna change up the targeting a bit. Essentially, we're taking the ad that works the best, the top 3. We're taking the top 3 best ads and pretty much just jamming it into one banger ad. So I'm gonna try and walk through what I'm doing step by step to keep it as simple as possible for you guys watching this, to see if you guys can keep along, whatever. So I'm currently editing the day in the life video right now, but the ad creation portion is an extremely long clip, so I don't want to bore you guys with that. So we're just gonna get into what happens after that ad creation portion. But I'm going to make that ad creation its own video just so that you guys know how to run an ad on your own, because it is pretty step by step. It's about a 30-minute clip, but I will make that a bonus video on this channel, so stay tuned for that. Probably coming out in a week or two after this video is posted, hopefully less depending on how busy I am. But yeah, let's just get right back into what goes on after that portion. All right, I'll see you guys there. Okay, so in our program in Atlas Scale, what we do for our clients is every week we hop on a one-on-one chat. We have 2 weekly chats with each client, and they also have a one-on-one link. If anything goes wrong, they can book in a call with me immediately and troubleshoot it. Majority of the time, we only make one because our clients are super busy and I'm super busy. But if they can make both, obviously I'll hop on both calls. But every week we have at least 1 call with each client. So today, right now, actually, I have a call with my client. I guess I'll just bring you guys along, kind of show you how these calls go. Sometimes the calls can be 5 minutes long where it's like, okay, everything's good, I have nothing to go over. Are you good? We're good. Boom. Perfect. Hop off the call, get back to work. Sometimes the calls can be an hour long where we're troubleshooting everything. Facebook ads got denied, anything like that. Majority of the time, they're around 15-20 minutes long. So what's going on, man? How you doing?
Getting that there's a new sourdough burger, I don't know what it's called, but.
Sourdough burger? That sounds gas. From where?
How's it going for you, man?
Pretty good, man. Pretty good. I've been dialing in a good amount of stuff on your guys' end, actually. I'll just run through everything. First things first, I wanted to ask if you saw the Loom I sent over last week. I basically gave you access to that whole CRM, and you can see all the leads coming in. You have all their phone numbers and emails just in case.
There's some issue, and it didn't let me go in, basically.
Okay.
So now it says, like, the link is, like, expired or something like that.
Okay. Yeah, that's no problem. We can, whenever you have time to get on your computer, we can get that dialed in. That's not very important. That was just kind of an extra bonus I wanted to give you just so you can get access and see tangibly all the leads coming in, because I know on your end you only see the leads that are qualified and actually book in, but sometimes it's nice to see how many leads you're actually getting, right? But
got you. Yeah, for sure.
Other than that, in terms of ads, I just launched a new ad for you guys. So what I did is I took the top 3 and I combined it into one ad essentially, and then I just launched that. Also, I wanted to ask about the lead that booked in for the appointment yesterday. Did that go through?
Yeah, I'm gonna send the estimate, but yeah, I got 2 other quotes.
Definitely, yeah. On the topic, actually, I booked in another one today. Let me see if I can pull it up. She's in in an area called where that is.
Okay, yeah.
She's available on Monday in the morning. I wanted to ask you before I confirmed with her. I told her I'd call her back, but she was looking around 8:30, 9:30ish. How does that sound for you guys?
Yeah, that's perfect.
On Monday? Okay,
Yeah.
Perfect. I'll send you the address and everything after this, so you can go check that out on Monday.
Oh, sweet, yeah.
And then and then another one. He's deep in. I said I service these locations and I have to confirm with the team. So I just wanted to confirm with you guys before I confirmed with him. If that's too far, we can always cancel it.
That one's actually decent, because we get kind of less traffic going down that way, so
Okay.
it's not that bad.
Perfect. But
yeah, the Instagram's going good. I'm seeing it's up like 190 this morning. Yeah,
Awesome.
So that one's growing.
I can make a list of all the numbers and the names and the notes of what they wanted and just shoot you over the list, what to film and how to film. But you're definitely from the first couple of videos you sent over compared to the last ones, 10 times better. And like I said, I'll send over a list of all these leads and what they want.
Sounds good. Yeah, everything looks good.
Okay, perfect, man. Enjoy that sourdough sandwich. Let me know how it tastes.
For sure.
All right, have a good one, man. Later, y'all.
All right, you too, man. Thanks.
Yes, sir. Of course. All right, so it's just a very simple chat like that. I'm not sure if you guys heard clearly, but bringing in an extra stream of leads just for him, he's extremely grateful for it. It's nice for us to be able to actually help our clients and not just chitter chat and talk all this big game. Just seeing it actually work is what makes us feel good, because we don't win unless our clients win. So it's a win-win situation. If they lose, we lose. If they win, we win. Majority of the time they're winning. So that was kind of an insider look of what our weekly calls look like for our clients. We have different dates for each client, but yeah, dialing in another ad for another client at the moment. So let's get that done. I got one more set with this guy. Off to a pretty good day, almost done with the work day. But yeah, so right now I'm just gonna send over some emails, create that Google Doc, 5 more leads I need to call today. So leads come in daily. If you can average it out, depending on the budget, it would be around 2 appointments booked in a day. Like I said, it does depend on your budget. All right, so I'm all freshened up. Pretty much got everything done that was needed to be done. I showed you guys the priority list. Helps me keep me in line with what I need to do, so I'm not wasting energy trying to figure out what I need to do. Right now, what I do is, actually, I'm not even just gonna talk about what I do. I'll just walk you guys through it, so I'll bring you guys with me, all right?
Tennessee, she don't mind if I lead her on. She holds me even though she knows in the morning I'll be gone. Tennessee, she don't know just how good she is. There's a mystery in the way she moves, pulls me back again. So if I'm gonna stay a while, if I get a little bit high on the night and the whiskey underneath the ballroom lights, she can always lead me home like a star in the southern sky. And if I'm lost, she will take me.
All right, that is it for this video. That's pretty much what the night looks like. Lay out the clothes, get some reading, and get some peace time in. But my hair is looking crazy. Let me put the hat back on. Jeez. Anyway, yeah. If you stuck around to the end, I appreciate it. Now you see kind of what the internal processes of running an agency at 18 looks like, servicing flooring contractors. So I have a ton more value on Instagram. So hit me up on Instagram at noah.o.arnold. Feel free to DM me with any questions or anything you want to chat about. And if you want to chat deeper into any situation, I'm gonna leave a link below where you can click it. We can have a one-on-one chat and kind of go in depth into your situation and see out of the services that we provide what works best for you, if any at all. I hope you guys got some value and kind of saw what it looks like when we're servicing our clients and really see actual results in live footage, right? So I thought this would be a cool idea for you guys to kind of get some insight. Other than that, it is, I don't have my watch on me. Well, it is 9:56, so not too late, not too shabby, but I'm not about to record myself going to sleep. So anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video.